Hello Hendrickson, it is time for our maths lesson today. Now, if you haven't done the fine motor activity with Mrs. Jutley yet on making some dice, then please stop the video now and make sure you watch that one first. Before we get onto the dice, we are going to do some counting. Now, last week we counted up to 10 using our fingers and back down from 10. If you struggled to do that, then keep practicing with that. But this week what we're going to do is we're going to start on a random number and then count up to 10 from there. So our number today is going to be number 4. We're going to start with 4 and work our way up to 10. Are you ready? Here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's practice again all together. Ready? We're going to start on 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There we go. Fantastic. Now, for our activity today, this week, we are going to be doing some addition. Fantastic. Now, in order to do that, we need to make some dice. Now, Mrs. Jutler showed you how to do that. You need to get this, which I'll put on Tapestry for you, so that you can make it yourself. And you will need to put anything on. So on mine, I put some stars, but you can draw anything you like on there to make it work. So here we go. I'm going to do stars on this one as well. So I'm going to do, each square needs to have a different number on, 1 to 6. Now you can work with your mums and dads because each side needs to add up to 7, mums and dads. So try to do that. If you don't do that, then it's absolutely fine. So long as each one has a different number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on this one, I'm going to do 1 star in the middle. And then over here, I need to have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then on these two, I'm going to do 2 there, and then I'm going to do 5 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I've got 1, 2, and then I need 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then over here I need 4. 3 and 4. Now this is tricky. So for this bit, this is your first challenge, is can you make some dice? You might need to ask your mums and dads for some help. And then you need some glue to put it all together, just like this. So I'm going to glue in all these wraps, just like that. And then I will put it together. Here we go. So I'm going to lift this bit up and pop these 2 bits on there, like that. Okay, I'm then going to pop this bit down on here. So I'm just sticking all the flaps together like that. And then finally, I'm going to go like that and hope that it all sticks together. There we go. So, I have made, I'll stick that bit on there, stick that bit there, and that bit down on there. Okay. Put that together like that. There we go. So now I have my 2 dice. I can get rid of my glue and I can get rid of my pens. There we go. Right, I've got rid of those. Now it is time for us to use these dice. Now we are going to use these to do some addition. So here's what we're going to do. All you need to do is roll the dice. There's one and there's the other one. And then whichever ones are pointing up, you need to count how many there are on each, and then to add them together, we push them together and count all of them. And we're going to say our number sentences to go with it. So let's work out this one. How many are on this one? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have got 6 on this dice. I'm going to write that down to remind me. Now this is your third challenge. Can you write down all the number sentences you've done? So the first one, number 6. And then we need to say add, and add looks like this. Can you show me add? Just like this. So it looks like this. A plus sign, add. 6, add, and then we need to work out this one. How many are on there? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 on that one. I'm going to write that here. So we've got 6, add 3. What comes next? You're right, equals. Show me your equal sign. It looks like this. Equals. Equals. And it looks like this. And then, to work out how much that equals, we need to count all of them together. So we can push them together and count all of them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all together there are 9. And I will write that down on there. So our sentence is, we're going to say it. So first challenge, I'd like to make the dice and roll them and count how many's on there. Second challenge is to say the number sentence. So 6 add 3 equals 9. Your turn. Fantastic. And then I would like you to have a go at writing these number sentences. Now I know lots of you have been doing a fantastic job of writing these already, but the more practice, the better. Don't forget, when you're done, please put it on Tapestry, and mums and dads, please let us know how you found this activity. I look forward to seeing it there.